everyone, you're watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies, and here are the headlines. Bitcoin snaps slide with biggest one-day gain since November. India defers crypto bill as winter session of parliament ends. Former U.S. President Trump terms crypto market dangerous. Europe's largest telecom company acquires Polkadot token, turns a node validator. El Salvador President buys 21 Bitcoins. Singapore rejects applications of nearly 100 crypto firms. World's first SMS from Vodafone sells for over €100,000 as NFT in auction. Visa will allow users to spend crypto through partnerships. Christie's sold $150 million in NFTs in 2021, generates $7.1 billion in annual sales. In our first story, Bitcoin rose the most in more than a month, briefly climbing back above $49,000 for the first time in 5 days amid a general rebound in risk sentiment, according to a Bloomberg report. The largest cryptocurrency on the planet by market capitalization surged as much as 5% to trade at $49,331 before paring the gains. Bitcoin has slipped over 30% over the past 5 weeks since hitting a record high of almost $69,000 in early November. Market analysts think that Bitcoin may have put in a bottom in the midst of an enduring bull market, mirroring the recent crude oil peak. Markets have rip-off investors in recent weeks as traders assess economic risks from the coronavirus and a hawkish Federal Reserve pivot. The winter session of the Indian Parliament adjourned today without discussing the cryptocurrency bill. The government had listed 26 bills for discussion in the current session of the Parliament, and the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 was among the listed items. This is the second time the bill was listed, but did not come up for discussion. The bill was initially slated to be discussed in the budget session of the Parliament. However, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had earlier said that a revised cryptocurrency bill was under consideration and would be presented to the Union Cabinet for its consideration. The revised bill is being formulated after consultations with various stakeholders. The former United States President Donald Trump, in a recent interview, claimed that the crypto market is very dangerous. He said that the growing adoption of the virtual currency market could cause an explosion, the likes of which hasn't been witnessed. Trump's comments are unsurprising, since during his tenure, the former United States President had made it clear that he was no big fan of cryptocurrencies. Trump didn't give a particular analysis for why he thinks it's dangerous. He just said that the crypto market is expanding at a great pace and no one seems to be doing anything about it. In August this year, during his tenure as a president, he called crypto a disaster waiting to happen, and back in June, he called Bitcoin a scam. Deutsche Telekom, one of the world's largest telecom companies, bought a large chunk of Polkadot's DOT token through one of its subsidiaries and also set to become a Polkadot validator. Germany-based Deutsche Telekom, which is Europe's largest telecommunication company, disclosed its foray into the blockchain industry in a statement. Polkadot, considered an Ethereum killer, was developed by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the founders of Ethereum. T-Systems Multimedia Solutions (MMS) was a subsidiary that bought the DOT tokens. Deutsche Telekom has earlier partnered leading Oracle service Chainlink Flow blockchain from Dapper Labs, the makers of NBA Top Shot, and Celo, a mobile-focused DeFi network. El Salvador, the first country to legalize Bitcoin as a legal tender, has bought an additional 21 Bitcoins. President Nayib Bukele announced that they have bought an additional 21 Bitcoins to mark the first 21 days of the year 21 of 21st century. The Bitcoin purchased is valued at little over $1 million at the current market price. President Bukele started a Twitter quote threads of sorts where he first talked about how El Salvador's entire area is about 21,000 square kilometers, referring to the 21 million supply of Bitcoin. He later said that they will make the Bitcoin purchase exactly at 21:21:21. El Salvador has seen one of the continuous buying spree of Bitcoins, especially during the dips. The strategy has helped them build new hospitals and schools from the profit they made on their investment during the dip. Recently, President Bukele launched Bitcoin volcano bonds worth $1 billion after facing criticism from the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank with no hopes of getting $1 billion in monetary aid. Over 100 institutions that applied for crypto licenses in Singapore have been rejected or voluntarily withdrawn their paperwork. Since Singapore announced that it will begin regulating cryptocurrencies, more than 170 institutions have applied for licenses. More than 100 of these companies have reportedly withdrawn or are not qualified. Singapore's central bank has often said that cryptocurrencies are subjected to malicious abuse and requires strict regulations. Regulations began in July when Minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam addressed the parliament. He said the country would start issuing these licenses. Tharman also had more than 90 cryptocurrency companies working in the country. In September, the Monetary Authority of Singapore asked Binance to stop providing crypto services in the country. World's first text message ever sent reading "Merry Christmas" was sold on Tuesday for €107,000 as a non-fungible token at a Paris auction house, reports said. The text, which was sent on December 3, 1992, was put up for auction by the British telecom company Vodafone. It was sent by the programmer Neil Papworth from his computer to a colleague, Richard Jarvis, in the United Kingdom, who received it while he was at the company's Christmas party. Jarvis received the SMS on the Orbite telephone, which was similar to a desk phone but cordless and with a handle. The phone weighed approximately 2 kilograms or 4 pounds. The Agoutis auction house in Paris, which ran the auction, said it expected the proceeds to range from €100,000 to €200,000. Visa, a leading global payment processing firm, which has announced an initiative for users on its platform to spend digital assets. According to Visa, its users will be able to make payments with crypto in more than 80 million merchants' locations across the world. Visa's head of crypto department, Kai Sheffield, in an interview said that the crypto arm of the company had grown tremendously over the last few years, and the crypto payment segment of the firm had employed more than 100 workers working in different capacities in the company. The crypto arm of Visa has also linked partnerships with more than 60 crypto investment across the world. Sheffield mentioned that Visa has tapped popular crypto exchanges to offer its users the opportunity to use its card to spend digital assets at more than 60 million outlets across the world. The crypto card allows users to spend digital assets at different outlets accepting Visa cards. This is done by helping the merchants convert them into a spendable equivalent to their fiat currencies. Well, that was the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching your favorite channel, Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.